Yeah, we are now going on the going to enter the Interurban Expressway. That is the Taj Expressway, basically Yamuna Expressway, nowadays called as Yamuna Expressway. So this expressway actually the branches are from the Noida Greater Noida Expressway. So that way largely the signboards are conforming to IRC 67. Be it the signboard, it has the color as well as the sheeting, everything is conforming to standards, and that is really a good sign we see here, because expressways are expressways are expected to have blue background, that they have followed it basically, and you can see here there is lot of good signboards as well as chevron signs are kept for the loop which is taking us to the start point of the Yamuna Expressway. But the only issue here is I would say the superfluous of spacing between the chevron sign is too much closely spaced for this particular thing. You don't require this many chevrons to be placed. This expressway is a 6-lane divided carriageway which we will be soon reaching. It is it's a cement concrete road, but the approach is made of bitumen, which we are going through now. As you see here, we are just entering the 0 point, and 0 point it is having very good acceleration lane for the traffic which is going to merge onto the thing. You can see here how nicely it has been constructed. So the design wise is one of the top class, I would say, conforming to the best standards available across the globe, and they have kept the innermost lane for the overtaking lane, and the vehicles which are car are expected to be in the middle lane, where we are adjacent lane rather, adjacent to the median, and then the third lane is expected to be used by the heavy vehicles, and the fourth lane is basically the rescue lane or the emergency lane. So it is having a median of 5 meters width, and basically that is an expressway means, especially Interurban Expressway, we need to have flushed median. That is the best, because in case of an errant vehicle it should not be meeting with the fatality. So from that angle it is advisable to have through and through crash barrier, that is a metal beam crash barrier or a wire rope, which are both semi-flexible and flexible. That is right now we are in kilometer 2. From the starting point we have traveled about 2 kilometers right now. You can see here that the median is having a raised curve, which is not advisable, because this particular expressway has already consumed more than 1,000 lives due to different type of crashes, like tire burst, or due to the vehicle standing suddenly and hitting from behind, or otherwise the vehicle going off from the LHS to the RHS due to overspeeding, because overspeeding is a major problem. Kilometer 3 we are crossing, and more importantly this expressway, which is unlike Mumbai-Pune Expressway or Ahmedabad Expressway, they do allow two-wheelers, which is really a bad thing. 15% of the crashes, fatalities happened is basically the two-wheelers and the three-wheelers, which could have been prevented, because in the name of toll collection they are allowing these two-wheelers and three-wheelers to pass on the expressway, and which you can see right now. I am just showing you lot of how many two-wheelers are passing on this expressway, which is a tolled facility. Even the two-wheeler or three-wheeler have to pay the toll. So due to that reason, these are being allowed, so which could have been prevented. And similarly, tractor trailers, that is again a speed differential is there. Those vehicles are also allowed. Design wise is a top class. Again I reiterate the fact that design wise is a top class. So we are now crossed more than 5 kilometers right now, kilometer 5 right now, and चलो छोड़ दो अभी अगले वाला इसी का देख कर. So as I told you, that blue color board is nicely kept, and this way we are able to really go on this as per the standards. They have kept the boards. At every 5th kilometer there is expected to be emergency exit, so that they have also maintained it on an expressway, which is warranted as per the standard, as per the requirements, so that any kind of crash happens, the vehicle on a LHS, if it happens on a LHS, they should be in a position to go to RHS, so that they can be taken to the trauma care center or the emergency facilities. For that purpose it is there. हाँ आगे 5th किलोमीटर, अनदर 5 किलोमीटर में पक्का एग्जिट आएगा. इधर नहीं है रविंदर, इधर नहीं जा सकता है, वो तो वेस्ट है. So the guide posts are kept on the median, which is of now just only for guidance purpose, but it should have been a flushed median with the metal beam crash barrier or a wire rope. The height of the shrubs also is a bit too high at certain locations. Should be properly trimmed. It should not, in no case, it should not be more than 1.5 meters height. This is the TBM they are put on the curves, but if at all you put a TBM, it should be having a minimum of 10 to 15 mm thickness, so that you would get its effectiveness in a proper way. इधर होगा, स्लो चलो इधर आएगा. अरे लेफ्ट चलो है, लेफ्ट में रह जाओ, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. इधर नहीं है, इधर वो उधर तो उधर खुला आता है, इधर नहीं है. So I am closing the video for this direction. Now I will take another video for the direction from Agra to Noida.